is equal to t square will take in this integration also. So put x minus 2. Linear function is what? X minus 2 here, which is equal to t square will take. So dx is equal to 2t dt will get. So the integration will go back now. So integration of dx is equal to 2t dt by so x square. So here x square means what? It is equal to what? So x square 2t dt I got here. Okay. So x square is equal to, means x value is equal to t square plus 2, no? So t square plus 2 whole square plus 5 into x. X is equal to again t square plus 2 again plus 2. Okay, into root of x minus 2 is equal to t square means it is equal to t. Okay, so here t gets cancelled. So 2 is a constant, I am writing it out. So 2 is a constant. Integration of so what I got here, dt by t power 4 plus 4t square plus 4 plus 5t square plus 10 plus 2. So 2 into integration of dt by, this is nothing but t power 4 plus 4t square plus 5t square 9t square plus 4 plus 10 plus 2 is 16. So now here this can be written as here this is equal to integration of t square plus 4 minus t square minus 4. So here t square gets cancelled. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 I had multiplied. So with 8 if I divide 2 by 8 I will get here by t power 4 plus 9t square plus 16 dt. So this is equal to 1 by 4 of integration of what? Integration of, let us separate these two, t square plus 4 by t power 4 plus 9t square plus 16 dt minus 1 by 4 of integration of t square minus 4 by t power 4 plus 9t square plus 16 dt. Now here this is equal to 1 by 4 of here if I take t square common here, 1 plus 4 by t square. Here if I take t square common, t square plus 16 by t square plus 9 dt minus 1 by 4. Here also t square if I take common, 1 minus 4 by t square by t square plus 16 by t square plus 9 dt I will get. So which is equal to 1 by 4 of, okay, so integration of 1 plus 4 by t square by, here how I should write here, t minus 4 by t whole square plus 8 I will get here. So plus 8 plus 9 dt minus 1 by 4 of integration of 1 minus 4 by t square by, here t plus 4 by t whole square, as we have minus here we are taking plus here, here you have plus, here we have to take minus. So this is a rational algebraic integration here. So irrational also we are converting into rational and doing again. Okay, don't forget that. So here 4 by t plus 4 by t minus 8 plus 9 dt. So here 1 by 4 into integration of 1 plus 4 by t square by t minus 4 by t whole square plus 17 I will get, I will write this as root 17 whole square minus 1 by 4 into integration of 1 minus 4 by t square by t plus 4 by t whole square plus 1, nothing but 1 square. Now here t minus 4 by t minus 4 by t if I take as u, take it as u, If we take this as u, integration of this will be t will be 1, sorry, derivative of t will be 1, derivative of 4 by t will be plus 4 by t square dt, here dt will be there, dt is equal to what? Du will get. Here if I take t plus 4 by t as v, here derivative of t is 1, 4 by t is minus 4 by t square into dt is equal to dv I'll get. So that is equal to 1 by 4 of integration of this part is equal to du by this is equal to u, however, so u square plus root 17 whole square minus 1 by 4 of integration of this part is equal to, however, it is equal to dv by v square plus 1 square. So x square plus a square formula is the tan inverse of x by a only, no? So 1 by 4 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. X by a is u by root 17 minus 1 by 4, again 1 by a means 1 by 1 only, tan inverse of x by a, so v by 1. So 1 by 4 root 17 into tan inverse of, what is the value of u? U is equal to t minus 1 by t, t minus 4 by t, sorry, 4 by t by root 17 minus 1 by 4 into tan inverse of v. V is what? T plus 4 by t by 1. Okay, again t value is what? 1 by 4 root 17 into tan inverse of t is equal to what? So here we have t is equal to root of x minus 2. So root of x minus 2 into root of x minus 2 is x minus 2, x by 4, x minus 6 by root 17 into x minus 2 I'll get on simplifying, minus 1 by 4 into tan inverse of t. If you substitute in this, we are going to get x plus 2 by root of x minus 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. So this is somewhat lengthy, quadratic under root linear. This will be, again we are going to convert it into the rational algebraic integration, that's why it will be somewhat lengthy. So next coming to the third form, third example, you see, third example, integration of dx by x plus 1 into root of 1 plus x minus x square. So here it is in the form of what? Integration of 1 by linear root quadratic we have. So in such cases, what I told, I asked you to substitute this linear as 1 by t. So linear is what? Here x plus 1, which we have to take it as 1 by t. So dx is equal to minus 1 by t square dt. So integration of dx is equal to minus 1 by t square dt by x plus 1 we had taken as 1 by t into root of 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t, 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t minus x square means 1 by t minus 1 whole square. Okay, so integration of minus, I am writing it out, so 1 by t square dt by here 1 by t into root of 1 by t minus 1 minus t by t square, here square is there, so minus integration of 1 by t square by dt by, so here on taking LCM, after taking LCM and taking this t square common, root t square means t, so 1 by t square into root of t minus expand this one, so 1 plus t square minus 2t. Okay, so these two gets cancelled, so minus integration of 1 by root of, what I am going to get, t minus 1 minus t square plus 2t, so here dt, so minus integration of 1 by root of, so 3t minus, what I am going to get here totally at last, 3t minus 1 minus t square. So we have to make it a perfect square. So how to make it a perfect square? So here take it separately and do. So minus of t square minus 3t plus 1 actually. So minus of a square minus 2ab means 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 1 you should write. So up to this it is t minus 3 by 2 whole square. 9 by 4 plus 1 is minus 5 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 will get. So which is nothing but we can write this one as 5 by 4 minus t minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this I am writing here 1 by root of 5 by 4 minus t minus 3 by 2 whole square dt. So minus of this is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square. So 1 by a square minus x square, the formula is what? Sin inverse of, simply sin inverse of x by a. X by a means t minus 3 by 2 by root 5 by 4 plus c. So substitute the value of t. Sin inverse of t is equal to 1 by x plus 1 minus 3 by 2 by root 5 by 4. Root 5 by 2 we can write plus c. So 2 into 1 by x we can simplify it further. Okay, so we can get it, it's not a problem. Next, coming to the last example of this session, integration of dx by, suppose if we have like x square minus x minus 2 into root of 1 plus x minus x square we have here. So here the fourth form I told here what to do again. Here in this fourth form, if we get like this quadratic root quadratic, again we are going to convert into any one of these three forms. So how I am converting it once you see. So integration of this is given. So here first of all what we have, if you factorize it carefully, this is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 1 only. Here for this factorization we are getting into root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. Okay, so let us convert this 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 into partial fractions. So it is equal to 1a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. So here 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2 will get. By substituting x is equal to 2, we will get 3a is equal to 1 and the a value is equal to 1 by 3. By substituting x is equal to minus 1, here this gets cancelled. So minus 3b is equal to 1, from this b is equal to minus 1 by 3. So a value and b value both we got. So here 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 can be written as what? 1 by 3 by x minus 2 plus b is minus 1 by 3 by x plus 1. So integration of, going back to the integration, this can be written as 1 by 3 by x minus 2 minus 1 by 3 by x plus 1 into 1 by root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. So after getting this again, what I will do, this multiply this with this. So 1 by 3 into 1 by x minus 2 into root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. Again minus 1 by 3 into integration of 1 by x plus 1 into root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. So again these are in the form of what? Linear root quadratic. Again linear root quadratic. This problem already we did. Already we have this result. Once you go through the previous problems, previous examples, just now I told this one. So x plus 1 into 1 plus x minus x square, this already we have. Next this you have to simplify. So you try to evaluate this value. Okay, so all this integration, rational algebraic integration and irrational algebraic integration was covered. So I will be sending this from the fact material, next 15 problems as worksheet, and the last week 13 problems. For that I am going to give solutions also. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.